I'm going to start by using the nasm global command, and I'm going to expose my entry point using this command. The entry point is going to be called start. Afterwards, I'm going to start the data section. Here I'm going to define the buffer that I'm going to use. So I'm just going to call it buffer, and it's going to be 256 bytes of zeros. So I'm using the times command, and basically you specify how many times you want to duplicate this line. So this line is going to just reserve a single byte, and you're going to duplicate this 256 times. So I'm going to reserve here 256 bytes. So this will be for the actual path string of PWD. Afterwards, I'm going to start the actual code. So this will be the text section. And then I'm going to start my label here. I'm going to start by calling the get current working directory system call. So rex is going to be 79. And I'm going to pass in the buffer. So that's the first argument. So I'm just going to pass buffer. Second argument is going to be RSI. And that's going to be the size of the buffer, in this case 256 bytes. Afterwards, I'm going to actually make the system call. And then moving to the second system call I want to use, which is going to be to actually print the path. So that's going to be rex number 1. This is going to be write, the write system call. The first argument to the write system call is going to be the file descriptor. So I'm going to move into RDI file descriptor number 1, which is going to be std out. Afterwards, RSI is going to be the buffer. In this case, just pass in the buffer. And finally, count. So count is going to be RDX. And that's going to be also 256. And I'm going to make the system call. And then I'm going to make an infinite loop here, just to keep this program simple. Now let's go ahead and save this. I'm going to assemble this with nasm. I'm going to specify the type to be ELF64, just to make it compatible with x64. Pass in the assembly. Now I'm going to link this. As you can see, it's working nicely. Subscribe for more programming videos, and thanks for watching.